This is Maple Street Grill. It's a restaurant I opened up 6 years ago. I've been in the business for 45 years next month, and this was like a lifelong dream. So here I do everything from cooking to running the business, 12, 15-hour days, 5 days a week. My knee would be so painful that I didn't want to come back to work again.
Michael came to me with several years history of right knee pain. It really started to get worse over about 2 months prior to him coming to see me.
Started affecting the day-to-day life as far as wanting to do things on my day off. I like to do things outdoor. I couldn't do as much as I was doing.
When it came down to it, he had tried all of the conservative things. They just weren't providing much relief at this point, and he just saw a deterioration in his quality of life. So we have a conversation regarding the treatment choices, and at that point, he really wanted to proceed with a total knee replacement.
He was showing me what my x-rays look like, what a good knee should look like, and just a comparison between the two, what the benefit would be of having a surgery versus physical therapy, staying on the medicine and stuff, but never made it feel like, I want you to have surgery. Being a business owner, it was hard to think about taking 6, 8, 12 weeks off of work, and he knew that, but when he explained everything to me, there was no thinking about it. It was like I wanted my quality of life to be different. I didn't know what it was going to be, but I knew it had to be better than what I was going through at the time. Post-surgery, they told me that, anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks of physical therapy. The way they did physical therapy, it just made every step feel like, okay, I'm making progress. Instead of you get done, you get home, you're like, why am I doing this? And I never felt that way. If I saw a different physical therapist the next week, they already knew what the other one did and what was expected from southern joint replacement. Some doctors, you go see them and then you're done, and then everybody else deals with you, and it was never that way.
My goal is to get back pain-free mobility. Everyone's activity level is going to be different, so it's having that conversation, what is your expectations after a joint replacement, and build up the strength to be able to tolerate whatever activity you want to do in the future.
I'm here open to close again, doing the things that I like to do. If I don't have to be, trust me, I don't. I'll go out hiking. I went parasailing for the first time. I'm doing things that I always wanted to do but couldn't because I was afraid. And I never realized how much it changed what I was doing until I could do it. The weight came off. I've lost over 30-something pounds just because I can do more physically now. I have no pain anymore. They really changed how I can live now, and that's the best part about it, and I mean that.